ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு ரீட் அண்ட் ஸ்பீக் இங்கிலீஷ். இன்றைக்கி நாம் பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் இங்கிலீஷும் நானும் ஒன்றாக வளர்ந்தோம். இங்கிலீஷ் அண்ட் ஐ grew up together. ஓகே, ஸோ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ஸ்மால் மோட்டிவேஷனல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். பேஷன் வின்ஸ், ப்ராக்டிஸ் கான்கர்ஸ். பொறுமை பெருமை தரும், பயிற்சி வெற்றி தரும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோக்கள் தொடர்ந்து நீங்கள் பார்க்கணுன்னா இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள், எங்களை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். Okay, so today we are going to see about me and English, how we grew up together in the form of a self-interview. I am going to interview myself. Okay, let us start the interview now. When and where did your love for English begin? Well, at the age of 10, I started my simple journey in the ocean of English by reading news items and magazine articles on cricket. And reading and speaking in English started as a habit and continues as my passion till date. Now you appear to have a computer background, then how come you have managed to keep in touch with English? See, though computer was my profession, English always accompanied me as a good friend. And 20 years ago, when I started my journey to London as a software engineer, I got an opportunity to interact with English through its native speakers. So this opened my eyes to the secrets and the nuances of speaking English. Now, how did the idea of spreading the techniques of speaking English started in you? So 10 years ago when I came back to India, I decided to share my experience and secrets of speaking English to all those who wanted to speak English easily and effectively. And thus started my journey to impart the knowledge of speaking English to others in simple terms. And I know being simple is the most complex of all. Now, in your opinion, what do you feel are the major hurdles for a beginner to speak English initially? What prevents them from speaking English fluently? See, I suppose it is the fear of making mistakes while speaking English. And another major hurdle is how and where to start, how to continue, how to complete a sentence. So this is where the technique of having an English passage to practice speaking comes in handy. So if you have a passage, it makes your speaking that much more simpler and easier. Now, do you really believe that reading an English passage regularly will improve English speaking? Yes, absolutely, because that is the way I learned to speak English during my early days. And also, reading is a coordinated exercise for our brain, tongue and eyes all together. So once they get used to those sentence patterns of reading, speaking just flows fluently and abundantly. Of course, in a short span of time. Now, what will be your suggestion to all those beginners who want to speak English easily and fluently or effectively? See, now for the past 10 years, I have been spreading the simple technique of speaking English through reading and listening to the own voice and using colored words to start speaking English. So I welcome all those who believe in themselves to join me in this simple yet exciting journey of speaking English. Good luck to you all. Okay, so this is how I do self-interviews with myself whenever I feel I want to get myself charged up. You can also try this technique. Of course, you can practice this using your own experiences. And this is considered to be a very good technique to get yourself motivated to do something. Okay, I think this video would have been beneficial to you. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the bell icon and support and motivate us. And till we meet again, take care, bye bye. Thank you.